So once you download this template, you should get this zip file. Now just unzip it and you will get this folder over here. Now just open up that folder and you will find these subfolders inside it. Now this is the project file, the Warlord title design.dra file, which you need to install in DaVinci Resolve, which I will show you in a moment. But before that, you have to install the font. Double click on the font link.txt file, copy and paste this font link to your browser, download and install it. If you don't install the font, the template might not work properly. You can change the font later, but first you have to install it. Okay, now let's see how to install this .dra file. So open up your DaVinci Resolve software and then just click on this home icon over here so that it can be something like that. And just right click on any blank space and click on this restore project archive. Don't click on this import project, click on this restore project archive. Then just navigate to your download folder, open up the folder, open up the project file and just select it, select the .dra file and click open. So once you do that, it will ask you to rename. You can name it whatever you want, hit OK. Now you can just double click on the file over here and as you can see, everything will be opened up in this section. By default, the final comp will be open. By any chance, if you can't see this name, the composition name over here, just click on this icon and make sure this is enabled in this section. Okay. And over here, as you can see, there is total 7 different scenes available. So if you just hover over them, you can see the titles over here. In the project bin over here, you will find 3 different folders: edit comps, final comp and assets. In the edit comp, you will find a text and color folder where you can open up the individual scenes. So just double click on that and they will be opened up over here. And from here, you can edit the title and the color settings over here. For that, just click on this inspector icon so that you can see the settings. And in the title tab over here, you will find all of these settings. So at first, you will find this global text, by which you can change the entire global text position scale. You can change the color, something like that. And then you can open up individual text and type your text in the section. And if you want, you can change the font from this section. Also, you can change the individual text position, scale, tracking, etc. So any text you see on screen, you can change this from this section. And then you will find some other settings like this particles color, particles opacity, lens flare, bottom glow color and opacity, vignette, camera blur, and letterbox. So by default, there is a letterbox, but if you want, you can turn off the letterbox from here, something like that. And as you can see, there is a camera blur as well in the beginning. If you don't want that, you can turn off that as well. So in the same step, you can open up any scenes you like and edit them depending on your need. If you want, you can delete some of the scenes. You can readjust the duration. By default, all the titles are 10 seconds long. You cannot increase more than 10 seconds, but if you want, you can decrease it. So that's basically how you can edit this template. I hope this video helped.